Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video, we will be installing a front hitch on the budget mud truck. The hitch which we are installing is a reese 65003 and it mounts up with 6 bolts. 2 of those bolts are on the side of the chassis and 4 of them are underneath where the sway bar mounts. As you can see, one of those 4 bolts is broken. So in the beginning of this video, you will see me remove what's left of that bolt, or at least I will try to, but I'll explain it a little bit later. Until then, please enjoy. As you can see, I was not having much success at this point, so I decided to change strategies. I would finish removing the rest of the bolts and mount the hitch minus that one broken bolt. In order not to have a weakened hitch missing that one bolt, I decided I would weld the hitch to my chassis around the area where the broken bolt was, kind of to make up for that lack of one extra bolt on that side. The welds aren't the prettiest, and I decided to backtrack and get rid of the sway bar at the end there, but the front hitch is on and it's ready for what I will be mounting on it in the next video. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.